Minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. My name is Zafran. I read in class 7. To the excellences, distinguished guests, teachers, and my dear friend, today I would like to share my thoughts on the importance of education. Education is man's best friend. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. It is a tool which helps to simplify a lot of tough tasks in our life. Education gives us opportunity to put our potentials to optimum use. Without education, the training of human mind is incomplete. Education makes a person right, thinker, and able decision maker. Without education, the man is like one who is confined to a closed room with no place exit or entry and completely shut from outside world. But education leads man into the open world. Good education is the foundation of a better future. It helps to develop our own personality of a person. It helps to improve status of mind, body, and spirit. Education helps us to stay healthy, earn money, increase agriculture production, promote peace, develop our nation, and many other ways. We can certainly use education as a weapon to reduce the issue of terrorism, inequality, gender discrimination based on color, and many such issues. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.